With a growing market and focus on education and technology, young people in Latin America are pushing their ideas in order to come up with solutions that target the social needs of our society.
Disruptive ideas are exactly what has changed the world in the last 20 years. With Facebook, Apple, Alibaba, Uber, Airbnb among the current leaders of a world that has understood that there is more than being profitable and that we are all indeed connected.
There is a clear cooperation at a macro level between governments and big corporations, but how to make this cooperation more real and local?
Our solution, an online platform that can connect the offers, opportunities, demands, and ideas of China and Latin America. We aim to connect SMEs, farmers, investors, social entrepreneurs, customers, and products using mobile technology across our regions.